Looking for a direct replacement for your Genie Boomlifts joystick controller? Let's talk about the SPJIUQI dual-axis joystick, part number 1012737. First and foremost, the purpose of this unit is clear. It's a direct-fit control module designed to restore precise, smooth operation to your machine's lift and drive functions. If your current joystick is worn out, erratic, or just plain broken, this is the part you're searching for. Its standout feature is the incredible compatibility. This single controller fits a massive range of Genie telescopic booms, like the S45, S80, and S125, and also articulating models including the Z13570 and the Z6034. That wide application is a huge plus, but always double-check your model and serial number against the detailed list in the description. In real-world use, installation is typically straightforward if you're familiar with your machine's wiring. Once connected, the dual-axis control feels responsive, giving you back that confident, fine control for delicate positioning on the job site. A major pro is the build quality. It feels robust, like OEM, without the OEM price tag. The potential con? As with any aftermarket part, ensuring a perfect match is crucial. That's where this seller really shines. Their customer service is a standout feature in itself. They offer one-on-one support to help you identify the right part, promising responses within 10 minutes during evening hours across US time zones. This support is invaluable for avoiding costly downtime. Compared to hunting for a used OEM unit, this new controller offers reliability and a warranty. Compared to other aftermarket options, the dedicated support here is a significant advantage. A practical tip: before ordering, take clear photos of your old controller and its part number stickers. Send them to the seller for confirmation. It's the best way to guarantee a perfect fit. Overall, if you need a reliable, compatible joystick replacement for your Genie lift, the SPJIUQI controller, backed by exceptional customer service, is a solution that gets your equipment and your work back on track. Thanks for watching.